So this is the problem. This is an outside kitchen. And the problem is that the floor is slanted. So those adjustable feet are good until the first cabinet, but then they're too short. So let's take care of that. By 3D modeling and printing is really easy because those are just M8 bolts. So in your preferred CAD software, this is just Onshape. I just made a sketch, the circle and the hexagonal bolt, and then you just do a bunch of extrude and circular patterns. You have your model, input into your slicer, you slice it, and then you send it to your printer. So let's take out our prints. These are it. Now we just take our M8 bolt. It's a snug fit, but fits well. And let's go to the table. This is what we've done. M8 bolt with 3D print. Now let's install them. It's pretty easy. This is the one I've already installed. Problem solved. And on the corner here, we need an even bigger offset because I couldn't find bolts long enough, so I just printed one with a taller base. So the same thing applies. Beautiful. Just do the same for the rest. Okay, well, hope this helped. Bye.